In this video, I'll talk about how you can buy ETFs on Webull. Now you can do this from the app or you can do this from the website. Just keep in mind you need to be located in America if you want to buy these. So make sure you log into your account and you open an account. So I cannot do this because I'm not in America, but you should be able to do it if you're from America or Canada, I think can do it as well. Now, once you've done that, head over to markets. Under markets, you can scroll down and there will be a most popular ETFs if you want to buy some of the most popular ones, or if you want to search for a specific one, you can come up here where it says symbol or name and you can type either the symbol or the full name of the ETF. So that is how it works. So like I said, you can come here and you can click on all. These will be all the most popular ETFs currently. So you can just scroll down and you can find the one that you want. You can see the symbol here and you can see the name here. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see the stuff here and you will be able to view the positions once you've created and opened your account. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.